Yo, what's up? You already know, Chef in the house, Comiendo in the house. Right now, I know you can feel it. You can hear that, right? Yeah, we outside, baby. You know what time it is. Today, we got a barbecue. I got my family right here. This is my house. This is another place that I have for you guys. I'm gonna talk to you about this later. You gotta go to my Instagram and see what's up. But today, I got a barbecue. I got this barbecue for Noboa. This place, man, I paid like 2,700, right? But today, I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get it, Comiendo en la casa, yo, come on, man. I'm gonna get this ready for you guys. I know if you never do this in the Dominican Republic, but here everything is different. You know what time it is? And oh my God, we got so many pieces right here. You can see that. Look, this wings right here. Come on, man. Get out, get out. This sausage, look at this, look at this, look at this. Pork. I like this. More chicken. Man, this is full, bro. It's like 2,700 is like $50, right? Something like that. But you see me sweating? It's because if you can see over there, you can see the pool right there. We got some aroma right here, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what it is, man. We're gonna get this ready today. Trust me, I like this. If you see the flame, I'm just trying to make sure that it's not overcooked on both sides. I never, take away from the barbecue. Never. I don't like that. That's why I like to cook, because I can control the time, the flame, and everything. Right now, I'm gonna mix everything. Let me just put this right here. My wasacaca ready for this. The Dominicans, we always love to put, some salt on everything, what time it is. And I have some different ways to do it right now. Let me put it down for a second. Let me put it right here. Everything this side. I'm gonna turn it on all over the way. Let me mix all this beautiful things that I'm gonna put some wine on it. That's my wasacaca. I always put wasacaca on it. And it's gonna be funny because I don't know if they're gonna drink or they're gonna eat. Because they're gonna put some on. You know what I'm saying? Let me get this right here. That's Romo, what we call it extra viejo, you already know. Extra O. Feel me? Romo, oil, virgin oil. Remember, extra oil. extra viejo. You know what time it is, baby. Oh, look at this. This is the wine. The name is Mon Valentino. This is not mine, you know. I take it for the second. Let me give it back. But we had the barbecue sauce. Two different. This is the honey barbecue. I'm just gonna get this really wet. I'm telling you guys, really wet. And this one is the original salsa barbecue. We call it salsa barbecue, Papa. You know how it is. I like this. I like this. I like this. All over the place. All over the place, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You mix it up. Look at this. They look beautiful, man. They're gonna put some color on it. Also, some flavor. Look, look, it's thick. Damn, man, I like this. Woo, woo, woo. Man, right now I'm gonna be doing this. Put it inside. Few seconds. Just get it wet a little bit. Right here. Ooh, yeah. You already know, baby. Yes, sir. Look at that, baby. Just a little bit. You already know, guys, we're already done. I have a lot of people here waiting for this. I know, they pay me too much money, but they waiting to have the best quality on the barbecue. And I'm telling you, I'm ready. My first host, I'm a chef, barbecue chef. And trust me, guys, this is different. This is another thing. I know you can feel it, guys. I know. I'm sorry. Trust me. Remember, subscribe. Hit the like button. You know who we are. We're Comiendo Pila in the house. You already know. You know, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere you can go. You can see us. We're gonna be there for you guys. And remember, you gotta go to my Instagram. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about this place. If you want to rent it, it's open for you the whole year. Just let me know. This is my house. This is your house. Welcome to Comiendo Pila in the house. See you guys. Estamos ready.